showing you how you can connect GOtv signal from the sitting room to the bedroom so that you can watch the same picture, the same channel. Whatever that is showing in the sitting room will be showing in the bedroom. Let's go. Let me show you. Thank you. This is where we are going to transfer the signal that is showing in the sitting room of this customer to the bedroom so that the same signal will start showing on this television as well. So stay tuned. Opening the socket so that we check whether the wire is well connected. If it is not well connected, I will now run the connection very well so that once I scan this television that is in the bedroom, the signal of that GOtv, any channel they are watching in the sitting room, will also start displaying in the bedroom here. So this is where we are going to connect this wire straight. As you can see, the port, this is the TV port where we can connect the wire. So it is connected now. So as it is connected, we are going to the other terminal. We are going to socket it to the RF out of that GOtv GOtv. So as we socket it there and now come to this TV and run an automatic scan. Once we run an automatic scan on this television, it will start showing the same GOtv channel that we are watching in the parlor will be showing in the bedroom. The TV, the wire to the TV. I finished connecting the wire to the TV now. So you can see where we plugged it. That is how to connect to another TV. Okay, so now I've finished connecting F connector to this other terminal. So this is the second end of that wire that I showed you, where I connected it to the television in the bedroom. So now I've finished connecting the F connector. So I want to join it to the decoder RF out. So as you can see right now, I've finished connecting the wire. I've finished with the connection. I will now go inside the bedroom and scan the television. Once I run an automatic scan, the whole thing will start showing up there. Whatever channel that this customer will be watching inside the sitting room, he will be also watching it inside the bedroom. You can learn how to do it yourself. So it has finished scanning and it has gotten the signal. So as you can see, it's showing now. So the signal of the GOtv that is displaying inside the sitting room is also showing in the bedroom right now, live and direct. So subscribe to this YouTube channel so that all the awesome videos will be dropping. You'll be getting the notification right on your gadgets. So this is the one that is in the bedroom. So as you can see, this is the sitting room picture and it's still showing the same channel. Alright, so thank you for viewing.